Alright, so for today guys, my mom is gonna teach me how to make homemade ice creams. There you go. So we're just waiting na lumamig at tumigas yung ice cream. The next thing that we're gonna do is crinkles. So for the crinkles, you're gonna need 2 whole eggs, 1 cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 4 tablespoons butter, 4 tablespoons choco powder, 2 cups flour, a pinch of salt, and powdered sugar. So all you really need to do is to mix all the ingredients together, starting with the egg, butter, sugar, flour, choco powder, and of course your baking soda. Mix them all together until it looks a little something like this. Easy, right? Medyo it's getting late na, so we're just gonna go and freeze the batter and lulutuin namin siya tomorrow.
The next day.
The next step is to roll them into balls like so and dunk them in powdered sugar. Repeat the process and lay each piece on a tray. Make sure you leave enough space between each piece as they expand once you bake them. These babies are now ready for baking. So for your cupcakes, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons each of baking powder and baking soda, 3/4 cup choco powder, 2 whole eggs, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups sugar, and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Oh yeah, let's not forget about the pinch of salt. So the first thing we have to do is to add all the wet ingredients together. Your egg, evaporated milk, butter, vanilla extract, and water. Now it's time to add your dry ingredients. Add sugar, flour, choco powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Keep on mixing until it looks something like this. Now we're ready to pour the mixture onto your cupcake liners. Preheat your oven at least 20 minutes beforehand. Bake your crinkles and cupcakes at least 120 degrees Celsius. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. Check your crinkles and cupcakes from time to time and take them out from the oven once you're done.